it's the Crazy Bros. Today we are doing our daily snack. 10? 11?
Yeah, 11.
Let's do vanilla muffins.
And why not another Nopper?
And guys, we got some milk so we can try the Nopper with some milk.
We already know we tried the Nopper. We'll still try it again. Okay. Let's open up the Nopper. And let's dip it in some milk. I feel like it's gonna be very good dipped in milk. That's actually super good dipped in with milk.
No.
That's super good.
It's not supposed to be dipped in milk. No way.
It tastes so good with milk.
It's like a 5 maybe with milk. It's not good with milk.
10.
Next, vanilla muffins.
Should I dip this in milk?
No.
The vanilla kind tastes pretty good.
I'd give it 10 out of 10. Really good.
8 out of 10. It's not too good.
So overall, this wasn't the best one. But that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye!